Wait, Generals. Generals, please. Stop. Stop it! Please. Please, Generals. Stop it! Please stop, General. Please. Please stop. Gotta go get milk now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
What, how old are you?
61.
And how old is Maria?
47.
And, kids in the house?
Living here, yes, but not home yet.
How many kids?
2.
Give me the oldest one's last name, both name are up?
Yeah, Lawrence Jr. is a 16.
What's his birthday?
1/6/98.
And the second one?
Nicholas Paul, 15. 1/11/99.
Are there any guns in the house?
No, sir.
And no, you don't have a pistol permit or anything like
No,
that?
sir.
Does Marie have a drug or alcohol history?
Yes.
With drug or alcohol?
Both. Past.
Years ago? Past.
Yeah,
Okay.
many.
Okay.
We're both in AA.
I understand.
607, they're going to be by the Island White taxi bench. She fell off the curb and she has an ankle injury. MTA is notified.
So you're saying it was not harassment or anything?
It did not violate the order? No.
She calls me a fucking psycho, and that's nothing.
Unfortunately, you didn't tell me that until after I told you that she didn't violate the order?
I said it on the phone. I told the lady she cursed me out, and I called into the thing. You didn't get a copy of that?
No.
And me telling you now, that means nothing?
Not because you didn't tell me until after I told you she didn't violate the order. So it looks like if you add that...
Right, but I'm telling you now that I told the lady on the phone, right,
okay.
right at that point that I was cursed. She said, what happened? I said I was cursed out.
Okay, I didn't get that information.
Okay. Is there a way we can follow up on this, or this is the end of it?
You could follow it up with your attorney and the sheriff's office.
I don't have any time. Sheriff's office?
Yeah.
Okay.
What time did this happen?
At 2:30.
310-4.
All the information anyone would need is on this form? Okay. Maybe I'll look at an attorney. And I might have to at this point. They'll give me a free one.
Just go ahead and read this.
It's pretty rough. Currently live at 168 First Town of Brookhaven, County of Suffolk. I was walking northbound on Mount Sinai, Quorum Road, at Hunt Club Drive, and I saw my wife, Marie Engelrup, drive past my location, heading eastbound on Hunt Club. Yes, I have a stay-away order of protection against Marie by Judge, okay, Family Court, 9/11, okay. Okay, therefore she did not violate the stay-away order of protection. Okay.
Let's see the signature.
Oh, I don't want to sign that.
You're refusing?
It says it doesn't violate.
Okay, then I'll refuse on
Yes,
you.
yes,
Okay.
please. Respectfully.
Okay, I understand.
Could you clarify just quick for me my understanding of this? It says me, and then it says my address. Does that mean that like if I'm not home, she can't come to the house? Is that what that means?
The home of, yes, you can't come here.
Right.
Yes.
But just the Lawrence Rupp part means nothing unless I'm on the property?
I'm not sure I'll follow.
It says stay away from Lawrence Rupp.
Right.
Now, just on my property?
Stay away from Lawrence and the home of.
Right.
Okay.
And refrain from.
And refrain from all this stuff.
So those things would be okay if I wasn't on my property. I'm confused.
Well, she can't if you're not here, and she says F Lawrence Rupp.
No, I'm saying okay. I see her out on the street. And
where?
Off the property, off 168 property.
Like you're shopping.
Okay, yeah. And she says, "Fuck you, Larry. That's not a violation of an order. That's a separate issue."
Sure it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
The order doesn't only remain in effect when you're here at your house.
The only problem we're having here is the fact that when we spoke, you're saying that I didn't communicate to you clearly that I heard her say,
right,
psycho, fucking psycho.
Until after I told you she didn't violate the order, which looks...
I understand what you're saying.
Suspect.
And me telling you that it was already on the tape at 2:30 means nothing.
Right.
Okay. All right. I just want to be clear when I pass it on, because I don't want anything wrong to go here, because I got kids involved.
No, I believe it. What I would like you to do here is, you could write, "I respectfully refuse to sign this statement."
You want me to write, "I disagree with the stay away statement," and then sign it?
If you want to, you can put it on.
I believe she violated my cursing. And I understand your point, sir. Initial or full sign?
Full signature.
And down here?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you got that.
I need an initial there because I crossed that out.
19, you just changed your call to a 10-9.
And I'm going to write, since you wrote this by cursing at me, I'm going to have to amend this and write on here that I told you...
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I use this back? Nope, not that. Okay.
My back's killing me. Can I lay down?
Sure.
All right, just knocking on stuff off.
It only takes 2 seconds.
Thanks. Oh, okay. Thought it was going to be that. That's all. Oh. Oh, man. Mess. I got cancer. I need a spine pain. I need a new hip. I'm a mess.
What I wrote on this to write, your P1, person 1, did not inform the undersigned officer that P2, Maria, cursed at him until after P1 advised P2 did not violate the stay away order by driving past the location, which was on a public roadway.
And I understand your rationale there. You know, this didn't work, let's try another one. This didn't work, let's try another one. I understand. Yeah. I just want it clear, because I guess we're going to have to read documents someday to decide.
Sure.
Can you send me notes?
George Lewis still around?
Name doesn't ring a bell.
Okay. High school friend. Not even a friend. I thought it was friend. Thank you.
All right, good luck.
Are we done, sir? Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
true tightening is still very far off.
Greg, if you were in the room, what do you think? What's your assessment here?
You know, I think what we got was a very dovish statement because it gets considerable time and language, but a very obvious set of one thing is getting yelled at that a lot of people may not have appreciated. After a considerable time, she said,
all right. They gotta be fucking kidding me, man. They gotta be kidding me. Wonder I lived in the fucking street. Go, baby. Go. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on.
They left it in. See, you're exactly right.
Stop.
She basically said, I love...
And focus on it the way that we are, because they're seizing and holding thousands of square miles of territory. Because they are...
First up, a check of the east end, including traffic on
Stop.
Highway in and out of the Hamptons, and the scene along the North Fork.
419, 420.
In Central
Police report. Man on. D'Agostino, I think.
Traffic north and southbound
Make the better deli sandwich. I would imagine. I would hope. Jewish pie. Love it. I got brisket in there. This is fucking unreal. This is unreal. No wonder people commit suicide.
Right now in western Suffolk, along the
I got my son caught himself. This is fucking wet.
Sunrise Highway along the bottom of the map. This is what Inspector Drive in Nassau County, east and west on the LIE.
Fucking homeless, living with cancer, pouring out my ass. You fucking name it. These guys are unfucking real. Well, after the fact, what I told you, the lady said, is a recording there, right? There's a fucking tape recording there? Record? 2:30?
Followed by a look at what's happening at the bridges out of Queens into the Bronx and Manhattan.
Okay.
Moving on down,
Fucking schmuck.
59th Street Bridge.
I know you're doing your job, sir. Who's ever pulling your strings is a moron.
Lower Manhattan, a look at the
Yeah. Women fuck up too. Women fuck ups too.
Moving down further,
You know? She got borderline personality disorder. Drug and alcohol history, sure she does. Oh, that doesn't mean anything as far as who's lying. Must be me.
Weather's next.
Must be me. I'm surprised he didn't smack me in the fucking mouth like the last guy did.
Before you go.
He threw her ashes and her mother's ashes on the lawn. She's crying. Gives me a fucking backhand while I'm fucking handcuffed. Fucking moron. Him I fucking blame. Gotta be kidding me. Gotta be kidding me. Look at what I do. She had pictures of her whole fucking family up. Not one thing to do with the kids. Not one thing. He amends the report. I got to tell you that after the fact you changed your mind. But you didn't write in the report that after that fact I said, well, can't you call back and get a copy of the tape? You know when the order was served, but you don't know what the emergency phone call was about. I think you're full of shit. I think you paid to lie to me. Here comes the time, the tide, and the sunrise, and there's my date stamp. And then I go off to the county attorney.
Around the upper 60s to lower 70s and very low humidity as we head from Sound Beach, Rocky Point towards Massachusetts.
I'm getting out of that Lechtrecker's room.
Just a very nice day.
You want to wait 2 weeks for a hearing? She's not with the kids. She beat the shit out of me.
And the last 2 hours
In front of my son. No CPS.
Not too much going on.
No fuck. No, nothing. Nothing. I went down to the police. Salt and pepper desk sergeant. It was last Wednesday afternoon. Without interviewing her. Why didn't you call? The phone was ripped out of the wall. Why didn't you come down? I'm disabled. I couldn't walk. Why didn't you drive down? No license, no car. She controls everything. With a cell phone? I don't have one. He shrugs his shoulders at me, palms up in the air. You know, that's either I don't know or I don't believe you. But who cares?
No advisory.
Who cares? Not everybody gonna believe this. Unless I'm the FBI technician my wife thinks I am. There you go.
Ocean swell. UV index 6 that's high.
There you go. This is where we are.
Tide comes in around 7 o'clock.
423.
So we have a couple of high-passing clouds, all the gray and white shades on the screen.
423.
Sunshine and no
I still gotta hide in my own house. I still gotta hide. She's fucking 50 feet from the property. Called me psycho. Fucking psycho. Her favorite. And this guy's telling, well, what do you want me to do? Why don't you go take a fucking shave, dude? It's 5 o'clock. That fucking Fred Flintstone. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable.
And for the upcoming weekend, sunshine.
And now look, he's agitated. He's highly agitated. You know, fucking smack him. Give him medicine. Knock him down. Through the ashes out there inside. Here you go. There we go. Let's get the rest. He wants me to get a lawyer, I'll get a lawyer. And a fucking lawyer right now. Look. He's out of the house. I got him hidden. I found him in her stuff. There you go. I need it for my trial. And then she gets him back. Right there on the paperwork. Where's my paperwork? Yeah, read this. She writes, May 24th, docket 09336-12. She writes, where is it? You do everything to avoid getting a man, blah, but where is it? Where is it? Blames me, storms, Oxycontins. He snorts Oxycontins. There's Judge Lechtrecker. Oh, take it easy, Fran. What's her name? Fran Moss. Oh, really now? You learned this in school. She had her license for 2 days. I need transcripts of everything. I'm scared every day. Feel nothing. Can't put anything in my refrigerator. He's on probation. Can't wait. He uses drugs, abuses drugs, so his probation can't center, and he's on hospice, and she allows it. And they let this, every fucking lie slide. You know? He blames me. Where is the fucking ashes? This is ridiculous. You can't even be polite to people. If I was yelling and screaming, maybe I'd get somewhere. I'd get myself to jail. Unreal. Unreal, man. Whatever. That's it. No, whatever. I can wait. Shaking. Still afraid of the cops are going to take me. Hey, would you sign it, sir? I'm not signing that. Well, why not? You're refusing? Yeah. Well, I'm going to write refusal. Yeah, of course write refusal. I ain't got to sign your words. Let me write it. Every week, hey, lies to surprise. I'm scared every day, and every day it gets worse and worse. I am afraid for my life and the safety of my children. But she says in court, Mister, did your husband ever threaten the kids? Yeah. He said he wouldn't get a $300 Michael Jordan sneakers. Anger Fred soon. Where is the mother's ashes? It's got to be here somewhere, man. I know it is. Is that another document? Slamming. Slamming all night and banging. Hypersensitive. It's in the schizophrenia. Oxycontins. I use morphine, Katie, in little tablets. Teldol money for a few days. I had the receipts same day from the store. All his upsets with holding money and keeps the money for himself. Yeah, walking around. He mentally abuses me every day of my life. My children are living in an unsafe environment with him there. Let's get in CPS when he was arrested for hitting me. He was involved and told that I was at huge risk and I should get a safety button. Wait, let's call it a panic alarm. Let's change our mind midstream. I do everything to avoid making him mad. Hide all my personal possessions because he will break or destroy them. He threw my mother's ashes all over the front lawn. Well, last night I was packing her shit, and here's her ashes. Here's her ashes. And lo and behold, you know, there they are. What do you know? There they are. There they are. He threw them. She had them hidden. I got fucking smacked by the cop while I was fucking handcuffed for being a scumbag, gritting in his teeth.